Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program Hornbill Smart Lock, updated. Begin by powering the lock and opening the Hornbill app to add a new device, then follow on-screen prompts to connect via Bluetooth. Tap Add Device, confirm the lock model, and enter Admin Setup when prompted. Choose Code, Card, or App Access, and save changes. Test each entry method twice to confirm programming success and consistent operation. In this video, I will explain how to program Hornbill Smart Lock, updated. After connecting, enter the factory admin code to reach programming mode and immediately set a personal admin code. Use at least 4 digits and avoid simple sequences like 1234 or repetitive digits. Confirm the new code twice when prompted and test it on the lock to ensure reliable unlocks. Update the code periodically for enhanced security and peace of mind. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy when you're changing batteries or programming locks. I've linked the socks and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to program Hornbill Smart Lock, updated. Use the app to add user codes one by one or import multiple users if supported, assigning permissions and optional expiry dates for temporary access. To register RFID cards, enter card enrollment, present each card near the reader until acknowledged, and label them in the app. Test every user entry method after enrollment and adjust permissions as needed for trusted guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.